creating a 360 view of components across heavy manufacturing with DataNovata. This pilot thinks he's flying a plane. But product lifecycle managers like Sandra know that he's at the helm of 450 tons of high-tech components. Sandra needs to worry about maintaining records for every single component for as long as it's in service. This is paramount to the safety of everyone using the finished product. What if components are swapped between aircraft? With each move, the details of product maintenance change. What's more, if the manufacturer modernizes its software, the legacy system needs to stay, rather than risk losing the data. Sandra has a hard time of it tracing components and their age and condition across multiple systems, many out of use. Sandra needs an easier way to keep track of components, which is where DataNovata comes in. DataNovata can track across multiple systems and databases with an intuitive interface, creating what Gartner calls a digital thread. This makes it easy for Sandra to track components to end of life cycle. Indexed searches are optimized to bring data from multiple systems onto one screen, so all components within a build can be associated and tracked. DataNovata will also replace the out-of-use systems and keep track of data for as long as is needed. The data will remain secure within the same access permissions. Now Sandra's on cloud 9 with her worries behind her. If you fabricate or maintain complex systems with a long life cycle, visit DataNovata.com to build a digital thread today. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content.